Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to take chlorine out of water. Chlorine is added to tap water to kill harmful bacteria, but it can leave an unpleasant taste and smell. Fortunately, there are several easy ways to remove it, making your water more enjoyable to drink and safer for certain uses, like watering plants or filling fish tanks. Let's dive into some practical methods you can use right at home. One of the simplest methods is boiling. Just bring your water to a rolling boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. The heat helps chlorine evaporate. Another easy way is aeration. Simply let your water sit out in an open container for 24 hours. You can speed this up by stirring the water or pouring it back and forth between two pitchers, increasing its exposure to air. For a more active approach, consider activated carbon filters. These filters contain a special type of carbon that absorbs chlorine and other impurities as water passes through. You can find them in various forms, from simple pitcher filters to faucet attachments and even whole-house systems. Remember to replace the filter cartridges as recommended by the manufacturer to maintain their effectiveness. Finally, chemical neutralization offers a quick solution, especially for larger volumes of water. Ascorbic acid, commonly known as vitamin C, is a safe and effective chlorine neutralizer. Just a small amount can treat a significant volume of water. Similarly, sodium thiosulfate is another chemical that rapidly removes chlorine, often used in aquariums. Always follow dosage instructions carefully for best results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.